Everybody, this is Matt, and I want to share with you an exciting tool that combines Kahoot with math. It's called 99 Math, and it is absolutely free. As you can see right here, there's a preview of how students can use any type of device to solve math problems that are preloaded and pre-made. There's really nothing you as an educator have to do. So how does it work? Well, first of all, you'd want to sign up for an account. If you haven't already, you want to sign up for a teacher account, and you can register with Google or you can register with your actual email address. Once you do that, you can log in, and what I love about this is that the dashboard is really simple to use, and it's a great interface. So you have right here where it says start the game, and you can choose a topic that you would like your students to be able to go through. So I have addition problems, subtraction, multiplication, division, and order of operations. There are more though when you choose more topics, and as you can see, there's even number lines. This is great for younger students. There's conversions, rounding, comparing numbers. Let's just do multiplication. So I'm going to choose multiplication here, and then it'll ask me to choose a range of numbers. I can choose 1 to 10, 1 to 12, or my own custom option here. So if I want to go to more options, I can customize that. And so I'm going to actually do 1 to 12. And this is what the sample screen on the student device is going to look like. All right, so let me go ahead and I'm going to choose game mode. Now, there's two different types of game modes, much like a lot of these games like Quizzes and GimKit and Kahoot. I'm going to do a live game, but there is the homework option right here where students can solve at their own pace. So when you do a live game, this is awesome, especially if you have kids that are remotely participating and also in the classroom. It's great to combine both, or if you wanted to do this face-to-face or remotely exclusively, you could do it or have students have their own opportunity for practice. Now, it generally is made up of different rounds. I'm going to just do one round, but by default, it's 3 rounds of 30 seconds. I'm going to choose one round, and as you can see, you can choose up to 2 minutes worth of content for math practice. So I'm just going to do 30 seconds, and then I'm going to get the game code. So when I do this, it will actually give me right here the link. So I'm going to go ahead and open up an incognito window so that you can see this. So let me just open up an incognito window. And as you can see, it says enter the game code. So the game code is right here, and I will enter in that code as a student and hit join. Then what I'll do is I'll put in my name, and I'm going to go to the game. It makes me wait until my teacher opens it up. As you can see right here from a dashboard standpoint, I can see all of my students, and when I'm ready, I can go ahead and hit start game, much like Kahoot. So there is sound right up here. I have it muted, but I'm going to go ahead and start game, and then I can start the round. So what do students see? Well, students see this. They get a countdown, 3, 2, 1, and then they can either type in or they can go through and enter in things right here. So if I wanted to enter it in, actually, I'm going to go ahead and hit 60. I got to do it from my screen. So this is great if you have a touch screen device, especially if you have, say, iPads or a phone of some sort. If you get things wrong, so let's just do this. Let's get it wrong. It will deduct points from you. Okay, so I have 80. Okay, very good. So now what I do is I hit next. It tells me how many points I had, where I'm at. I got 100 points. And as a teacher standpoint, here it is. It gives me the information on my student. Now, I also have a report, and I can see mistakes. So if I go right here, I can see mistakes. One of the mistakes for the class was 4 times 7 is not 25, it's 28. I can go ahead and view a report, and I can go and look at how Matt did. I can see the mistakes that Matt had. So this is great from a standpoint of going through and just making sure that student is getting the help that they need. If I want to access other reports, I can click right here, and this actually goes through any reports that I have. See these 3 little dots? I can delete those reports. I can go to this game, which was yesterday, and I can see that they got it all correct. I had undefined means they didn't answer, and then no answers are right here. So really neat way of breaking things down. If I did see the mistakes, it would show me the wrong answers right there. Tells me a skill level. And then right here, this progress chart, this is something that's actually coming soon. So that'll be kind of neat to see that right there. But it does give me sort of an overview of how my students are performing. So it's called 99 Math. Now, if a student has a mobile device or a Chromebook, they simply go to join.99math.com in order to participate. And you as a teacher, you can access this on any device. So exciting things. And there's really not a whole lot you have to do. You want to start the next game? Just simply hit start and then choose your topic.